afternoon, UVM. I'm your weatherman, Danny Metcalf, coming to you live from the inside Vermont UVM TV studios, here for your afternoon forecast. So we take a look outside right now. We currently have a temperature of 34 degrees with a northwest wind at 7 miles per hour, a barometric pressure of 29.54 and rising. Now we move on into tonight's forecast. We see we're going to have a low of about 25 degrees and a snow shower or two. We're going to pick up about half an inch to an inch of snow, so much like we saw this morning, with a nice dusting of snow to when you wake up. So what's bringing us this snowfall? Well, when we look at the national map, we can see we have this low that tracked northeastward and actually missed on Tuesday. And now this low is currently parked in Quebec and is circling snow showers down into the Vermont region. Now that mixed with some northwest flow can actually give us some lake effect snow from Lake Ontario, which can lead to a dusting to an inch of snow in the morning. So when we move on into tomorrow's forecast, we can see we have a high of 33 degrees with a low of 24 and that half an inch of snow during the day tomorrow. Now you can see we're much above average for this time of year, because we have this cloud cover that for the nighttime region, or for the nighttime, that insulates us and doesn't let the warm air escape. Now we look at the hourly forecast for tomorrow. We can see it's going to be much like today. We're going to have a temperature of 27 degrees when you wake up with a snow shower, and those snow showers will begin to taper off as the day warms up and the lake effect snow begins to recede. So how much snow are we planning on picking up? Well, we can see here in the Vermont region we're going to be less than an inch of snow, so nothing major from this storm. So kind of sad, but any snow is better than no snow as of now. Now when we take a look at the national map, we're going to keep our eyes on two things. First, we're going to have this high pressure system build on into Vermont by about Saturday night and into Sunday to bring us some dry weather for the weekend. And then the second thing, you can start to see this green area build behind the low. Now that's what we're keeping our eyes on for Tuesday and into Wednesday. This has the potential, I say, to bring us some significant snowfall, and the first we've seen in a while. But since this entire winter, these storms have developed and tracked eastward into DC, like we've been hearing about. It's a little too soon to say this is a definite snowmaker, but it has the potential. Now we move on into the powdercast, into the 5-day forecast. We can see we're going to have a temperature well above freezing for Saturday and into Sunday, and like I said, we're going to have that high pressure build in for Sunday and into Monday to bring some drier and warmer temperatures. Now Tuesday is that potential for some pretty heavy snow, so we'll keep our eyes on that and we'll be updating you throughout the weekend. Now we move on into the powder forecast. If you're going skiing this weekend, it looks like it's going to be pretty nice up there. Jay picked up 2 inches last night, as did Bolton. So look, if you have the triple major, either one looks to be a pretty good call. Projected snow anywhere from 1 to 2 inches at any of the sites. With this weather pattern, it really favors the mountains to pick up some snow versus the Champlain Valley. So anywhere, any of the ski resorts can see 1 inch to 2 inches with this weather pattern. Now when we take a look at our party forecast, as we're going out into the weekend, much warmer temperatures than we've seen for our weekends. We're going to have a temperature starting off right around 30 and gradually decreasing into the mid to upper 20s. So really not too much in the way of temperatures. Maybe a better chance of snow for Thursday, but really it looks like it's going to be a great weekend for going out. Go out, enjoy the warm weather this weekend. That's all from UVM TV Weather. I'm Danny Metcalf. Have a great weekend. Stay safe.